Hi everyone, in this video I am designing a My Document flow for a mobile application. The first screen I created was the document information page. I added details like the PAN number and Aadhaar number. I also added upload sections for the Aadhaar card, PAN card and profile photo. After that, I created the personal information page. This screen includes the profile image, name, date of birth, email, phone number, address, city, state, postal code and country. I also added back and next buttons to make the flow simple and easy to follow. Then, I created a success screen that appears after the user completes the document upload process. It includes a confirmation message and a Go to Home button. I also realized that I had missed some important information earlier, so I went back and added the account name, account number, account type and IFSC code. Finally, I edited the My Document screen I designed yesterday and updated it with all the information and uploaded documents. This is the complete document upload and management flow. If you like this voiceover, tell me in the comment section. Also, let me know how I can improve my videos and voiceover for the next one.